Welcome, guys. It is springtime pretty soon here. So I'm going to step back because I put you on widescreen. Here are my irises. And they were started from bulbs or sets, whichever way you prefer to call them. I don't know, so I just call them bulbs. So I made this little circle thing. My husband say it was not centered. I don't care. I just want some flowers. So right here is where my irises are coming out. And I do have a plan to put some other things in it. Right now, I'm debating on what that may be. So this one is an iris as well. So now that I know where all the other irises are popping up at, I will be planting this one inside of this bed. So also over here, a lot of you guys know that I had planted some asparagus. I do see them fighting, but one thing I have learned, those weeds will try to take over and smother your asparagus out. So some kind of way I have to figure out how to get those weeds out. I mean, it may be one of those things where I'm going to constantly be de-weeding. If you check one of my earlier videos from when I first started and I got this section together, I thought I de-weeded the whole area. I mean, we got in there and we dug. And this is what we got. This side here of my house, it is about now a little after noon. This is where the shade is at. This area here do not get a lot of sun. A little in the daytime, in the morning, then a little in the afternoon. This side over here gets most of the sun, but as it move over in the evening, so I've been having a tough time growing over here. So I'm trying to find things that can deal with either partial shade, or they don't need full sun. So I'm gonna dig this back up, and we're gonna see. Now it's something I just seen, y'all. Let me tell you something. I haven't planted any food in here, but I kid you not, that is lettuce. That's what I do know. This is straight lettuce. And it's growing back in this bed. And I have not planted in this bed in over a year. This was one of the first beds, like I said, I did. And I did have lettuce in here. But I have not harvested lettuce out of this bed in forever. And who's to know where he come from? That is lettuce. So we're going to see, in time will tell what else is going to grow up here. But I have not put no food back up in this bed. So guys, hey. Here is where I have my roses. As you can see, it is 8 containers. They will stay in these containers probably well over a year. It takes them a very long time to get to a point where they really need to be up potted. And they're outside so they can stratify. Now today, we supposed to get it to like 63. I'm not going to knock it. I'm just going to leave them where they are. But we still have a lot of cool nights. I am not going to put them in my refrigerator. I do not have time to put them in my refrigerator because I need my refrigerator for my food. So we're going to take this here and we're just going to see how it goes. For the length of time that it takes for them to stratify, we will have plenty cool days and nights for them to stay outside. Now, because they are just seeds, and it takes them a long time to even germinate, we are expecting rain for the next, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday for sure. And the temperatures will be closer to 70. I will take them inside. There's no need for them to be outside, because that is too wet for them. Unless I find something I can actually put over them that's big enough. So, again, until next time, grow something, guys. And this is my, my adventure on learning how to grow flowers. And I will get back with you soon when I plant the flowers that I'm about to plant, so you can find out what I'm planting for the spring. Please like, subscribe, share the video, leave a comment and suggestions on flowers. And if you have a video pertaining to a certain flower that is really, really good for zone 8B, preferably a perennial where I don't have to be planting every season, it'll be a big help. Have a great day.